So in this video, I'm going to show you my thought process around creating this windshield to kind of get this result. Probably the best way is we can see that it's got this nice curve down here, and there's two ways we can achieve it. Shift A, we can either use a cylinder and then we've got that nice rounded edge. But what I'm actually recommending is that we use a UV sphere. I'm going to press Tab to go into edit mode, rotate X 90 degrees. From here, I'm going to delete the back vertex. Let's not. Let's go Control Numpad Plus to increase our selections. I think that looks good. Delete vertices. Alt left click to select the edge loop. From here, we're going to come up to the top into proportional editing, and I'm just going to turn that on. Or we can press the O key, and then I'm going to press G and Y to move it along the Y-axis, and just stretch that out. Let's go, I think that's probably a bit too much. Just trying to get a bit of a nice shape, and I think that'll do there. Selecting everything with A, and I'm just going to move it down, and then we might just compress this section in here. And now you can see that we do have that nice rounded edge that smooths off. Probably from here, I'm going to turn off proportional editing with O, GY. There we go. Just going to move it slightly down just so that point there is just below the surface. Then we can go ahead, select here, delete, Control L to select everything that's linked, delete. Let's select our two edges here and here. I can press V to rip, and then we can select everything, Control L to select everything that is linked, delete vertices. So now we've got this nice shape, smooth, and you can see that we match it quite well. Now, if we wanted to go a little bit further and just create that edge, what we can do is select our windscreen, sure, Shift D to duplicate. Then from here, add modifiers, generate Boolean. And now I'm going to select the mesh. I want to do maybe an intersect where it's actually intersecting. And then I'm going to press Control A to select that. Now we've got a face down here. Let's go delete that face. Let's not. Let's GY and pull that all the way back. Now we can go delete that edge. So now we've got kind of like this line that is in between our two pieces. So from here, we can select that. Let's go into add modifiers, generate maybe a skin. It's a little bit too big. If we press the N key to bring up our menu, all the way to the top where it says item, let's press tab to go into edit mode. And now we can bring all this down, 0.01 maybe. Yep, 0.01. And now you can see that we have that edge where the windscreen meets this. Now, obviously, we can fine tune this and give it some extra geometry, so on and so forth. But I kind of just wanted to show you the thought process in how I attacked to get this shape. Yeah, definitely a lot more polygons. And then with a bit of extra fiddling, we can get a nice barrier like that. Let me know if this video around thought process helped you out.